Welcome to layer 4 of the OSI model, the transport layer. Now, if you remember the OSI model, it looked something like this. And up here at the application layer and down through these layers, we only had just a stream of data. And now we begin to break it up here at layer 4. As we break it up, it depends, what we call it depends on the protocol that we're using, and there are more than one protocol. As a matter of fact, there are two main ones and a couple of upcoming ones. If it's a TCP segment, we call it a segment. So if we're using the TCP protocol, we call it the segment. If we're using the UDP protocol, we call it the datagram. And then one of the newer ones, which we won't talk about a lot in this course, the SCTP protocol, we call it a chunk. But most of the time you'll hear segment. As a matter of fact, you see here in this chart, which I took off of a site on the internet here, you see that segment is the one that it uses because that certainly is the most common. So we'll think of the PDU as the segment, but only when TCP. When using UDP, we'll call them datagrams.